Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's start to creating this presentation. Let's have a look. It's look great. Let's create it. At first we need to insert a new slide. In the new slide, we need to create this shape. You see this shape is one of the shapes that we have here. This shape. But some of you may say it's not that shape. I agree with you, this is not that shape. Why? Because the curve is not we want. So how that shape created? Some of you may think we use some options or some of these shapes. Let's go with that opinion and use this shape. Let us think we have it here. After using that, you see the effect is not exactly what we want. When we rotate it, it's not. But we can edit points. You see, but it's not looking great. So how we create that shape? It's easy. We need to insert a rectangle, align it center and align it middle. Sorry. After that, we need to add a. There is two way for creating that. One of them is to edit points. You see, it's kind of not nice how to create the effect, and I don't enjoy it. There is a better way also. The best way is to insert a rectangle, insert a circle. You see, from here we need to reduce its size, then select all of them by Ctrl A and make them on. You see the effect is created. Now we need to paste our text. This is our text. Okay, we paste it here and then select all of them. But before that, we change the color to the which color we want. Let's go with this blue, dark blue, and then make it white. And copy this text. It's just using Overdrive Sunset to create that as a font and nothing special. And then we group them. For the shadow, we are going to give them some bottom shadow, but we are going to increase them in size a little to be more visible. Okay, it's good. Make it a little more blurry. Now we copy that, paste it here. We bring it up to here. And bring it down and color it black. Now set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. You see, I make it clear to look beautiful. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Until then.